rough out this morning when we first got out here, so I did a couple laps this morning just to feel it. Hopefully it'll get a little softer. It was pretty cool. Glad you guys could make it out.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for all your service. You've been out here before?
Yep.
Yeah?
Used to ride quad out here.
Ah. That's what I started on, was an Odyssey, and then went to a four-wheeler. Slight graduation up to this a little bit. I broke enough Jeeps and it's been rough enough. I was like, we got to get something more comfortable. There it came off the ground a little bit. So yeah, we hit it pretty good just a little bit ago. It should hop right off of here. This little hit right here. Oh yeah. Hops right over it. I got a lot more low end power now than I ever did before. So you want me to drive like I'm by myself, or you want me to drive like I got my kids in here?
Like you stole it.
We can do that. If we hit it hard enough, we can clear both of them.
Let's do it.
I know you wanna see.
Oh, that was awesome.
I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second.
Butt starts to get a little light there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Can we hit the drag strip?
Heck yeah!
Alright.
We'll bust right through there. Problem is, we go so fast that I can't keep my eyes open.
Oh.
So you'll have to watch where we're going for me.
Week 2. Buggy's been running good. The only thing we had problems with was battery. First starter wasn't enough to run it. I ran out a 2-aught cable. Boom, great. Then all of a sudden we had too much power. So then all of a sudden we went to having 17 volts. Optima battery really doesn't like that too much. Ran out to AutoZone, pick up a new alternator, threw it in right at the beach, fixed it, been running good, ran Heroes, that was awesome. Was still waiting on tires. Then all of a sudden, yesterday, buddy here sent me a link to some tires that were for sale. Well, we found some. 3315. They're not pros, but they're standards, which is great because it's the exact same tire we had versus what they're supposed to look like. So when you run them on the road, this is what this little profile starts to do, and they bend over and don't hook. So we got a lot thicker paddle here, same setup, but the Mohawk's perfect for if, God forbid, we ever have to run it down the road. Gives us a little bit. But we got her up, we got tires off of it, ready to go. Everything else been working good. We had an alternator, we had to run a new cable, exhaust gasket. We popped an exhaust gasket the other night, but that's no big deal. They had those out at AutoZone. We grabbed some Felpros, threw it on there. So we added some additional seating on the porch, which is nice. These little brackets, if you guys have decks up here, these little brackets are pretty cool. And we got all kinds of room. So this little guy here, I'm holding it for an individual right now. So this is our traveling trophy, the Broken Strap Award. So it originated from a couple gentlemen that come up with us. He had a brand new strap. He was gonna help somebody out. He hooked onto him and he had to cut his brand new strap because he was stuck, the other guy was stuck. So I won it a couple times. So we list basically what's going on. We got another page we got to update and get printed for in here. But every time somebody does something really good, we got axle shafts, a lot of transfer cases, a lot of axles, pinions, just about everything. Because I am not the winning recipient of it this year. Somebody torched a motor this year, so that's pretty serious. So gonna get some panel tires put on today. That's gonna be great. And then we're gonna rock it the rest of the week. We'll see if we can't start pulling some front ends off the ground.
What are you gonna do when I'm not touching? Fun. No, freak, jump. There you go.
Oh, here goes Cooper. Oh my gosh! We got splattered. Oh, here he goes.
Hang on. Hang on, Ellen.
Those poor people out of the
Mike, the red light's flickering on the camera over there.
I'll have to put water in the pool if I keep doing it.
Woo! High five as she going in. Woo!
That was a good one.
That was good, Coop.
Good dive, though. You hit your head. Is that weird?
I hit your head on the bottom.
Is that fun? Yeah, you gotta get your head in there. Dive in again. Show mommy.
What are we doing?
I'm going across.
Silence. Cooper, watch out, man. Oh my God. I love Bob's comment. He's still got it.
Working on your bike, checking the specs on the rotor gooters, making sure they're taut. The muffler bearings all right. You get muffler oil, blinker fluid. I mean, what? Oh, whoa, Daddy's hair is getting long, and now the kids say that it's gray. Comes from them. Grandpa, he's chilling out there on the deck, as you can see, squeezing that little cat nap before dinner. Got the exhaust leak fixed. We got the Hawks mounted today. We're going to give them a shot tonight, see how they do. Hopefully everything will be good and that we won't have any issues. Everything will be good. After I take a shower and get all this long sand. Is there any sand in there? It must be.
Some. I think it's just mostly white hair.
Oh, whoa. Hey now. Thanks, Mommy. Holy cripes. Cooper, you going to be able to save the bike? You think it'll be a good? Yeah?